Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And yes, I am now in my living room because if you don't know, my beauty room I'm doing construction in it. There's something going on there. It's been going on for the last 3 weeks, and then it's been a little stressing me out because I haven't posted a video in 3 weeks, and that's, like I said earlier, that stresses me out. But anyways, today I want to do a review, and I got my package yesterday from ColourPop, and I was like, that is so fast. Like I was like, what the heck? Like, it was fast, guys. And I did get the ColourPop No Filter foundation. I've been waiting for this because you guys know I love the No Filter concealer. It's honestly the best concealer ever, and they didn't have my shade. That's why I didn't purchase it today. And I also bought the No Filter setting powder. I saw Diana Saldana do a video on the powder, and she was shook. She was like, oh my god, it looks so good. So I wanted to pick it up and try it for you guys. And yeah, if you're not part of the Pineapple Squad yet, don't forget to join my family. Hit this video a big thumbs up. It really helps me a lot, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're already part of the Pineapple Squad, I do want to apologize for the lack of videos, but hopefully my room is going to be done next week, and then I'll have so many other videos for you guys. So don't forget to join, and let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so this is the foundation right here. It comes in the box here. This is how the foundation looks like. Right there. It's so nice. A glass bottle, and this color looks pretty good. I think the color looks good. Hopefully you guys are catching how it looks in my living room. I do have a lot of lights right now, but hopefully you guys can see it. I don't know. And I also got the No Filter setting powder. And I got the one that's like in banana, I think it is. Yeah, banana. So, this one. And banana. So, I'm gonna use one side with my beauty blender, you know. And my face is a little bit bad these days. I don't know why. It's like breaking out. It's just, it's a hot mess, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna do half with my beauty blender and then half with my brush. And I have my Morphe M439 brush. You guys know I love this brush. And yeah, this is how the bottle looks. It has like little stars, and it looks really nice. And it says ColourPop No Filter foundation. And I will put in the screen the claimers that they have. I don't want to make this video super long. Let's see. Actually, let me look for it now. This foundation is matte, and it comes in a lot of shades. Like, guys, I have a lot of shades, which is really good. Okay, so let's see. This is a buildable full coverage natural matte foundation. Delivers flawless looking skin from day to night. The oil-free lightweight formula blends smoothly, and it's easily customizable to create the coverage you want. So it's buildable, and you can put how much coverage as you want. As you guys can see and know, I require a lot of coverage. So I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna put it in the back of my hand. Oh, it locks. Okay. There you go. It's liquidy. Oh my lord. It's very liquidy. I'm gonna try this 2 pumps. I'm gonna try. Oh my god, I think I did a good job with the color. Yes. So yeah, it's very liquidy, y'all. Like, be careful if you're wearing your clothes before. This is probably gonna be a mess. Oh, okay. Now let's go in with my brush. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Y'all, this is so full coverage. I think I used way too much, so I'm just gonna go like this in my napkin. Oh. Oh. What in the world? Whoa. I think it might be a little too light, actually, for me. Hopefully it does, hopefully it oxidizes a little bit, but looks good. It doesn't look like I want, just because my skin is going through a lot right now. So it's not gonna look just like I want. So I'm gonna do two pumps more, and I'm gonna use my beauty blender. Oh, this sucks up all of the product, so I'm gonna have to redo it. Freaking hate this paper. Just apply it like this. Okay. There's definitely, what do you guys think? I don't know. I'm gonna go over it with the beauty blender just because I don't like, it leaves, like the brush is leaving like little streaks because it's getting old, but it looks nice. It looks nice. You have to be careful with the tube because it does squeeze out a lot of foundation at once, and you don't want to like waste foundation. Over again. Ugh. Does one side look, I look so light. I look very light, and it actually doesn't look this light in person. Alright, so this is how the foundation looks like. It is a little bit light, like I mentioned. Alright, so I mean, so far it looks good. My face, like I said, is going through a lot right now, and I feel like that might make me think that I don't like it, but I mean, it looks good. I mean, I can't really do anything of my face, like, it's just how my face is. I'm gonna use the Flower Beauty concealer. Okay, so now we're going to try the powder, and this right here. Hopefully it's not too white because I don't like white powders. Oh, but this one's very yellow. It's like literally like my shirt. It's really, really small, like compared to my Laura Mercier powder. It's actually very tiny. This one has 29 grams of powder, and I think this one has, let's see, 8.5, so it's like a big difference, but I mean, it's okay. It's not a problem to me. Like, whoever goes through a lot of powders, like, I'm just gonna get out the creases. So smooth. Wow. Alright, so I'm gonna bake. I'm gonna leave it like that for a little while, but so far it's feeling very, very good. So I'm gonna let it bake and everything, and then I'll be right back. So this is the final look. I applied everything to my skin that I was going to apply, and I feel like it looks really good. I feel like the more I wear the foundation, the better it looks. I feel like the lighting in my living room just makes me look a little bit washed out, but actually it doesn't look that washed out. It did look a little gray in the beginning, but I think now it's looking a little better. And I did change my shirt because I don't know, I wasn't feeling that. Like, I don't know if it's just me if I look gray. You guys tell me, please, because I don't know. But the powder did amazing. Like, the powder looks really, really good, really, really good. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to let me know down below what you guys think. Do you like it or not? I'm gonna wear it the whole day, like literally like until 8 or 9 p.m. and it's literally 1:01 right now. I've had this on for like half an hour, so we're gonna see. But yeah, thank you guys so much. I love you guys, and God bless you, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.